Hey, what are you two doing? Mom said you have to play with me.
We're building a spaceship, Billy. What's it look like we're doing? We're jumping on the trampoline. Yo, I got an idea. Let him on. Alright, fine, Billy. You can get on and jump on the trampoline with us.
Yes, just don't bounce high. I'm really scared. I've never been on a trampoline before.
Don't worry, Billy. We won't. So we're gonna play this game called Double Bounce.
Double bounce? That sounds awesome. How do we play?
All you gotta do is stand in the middle of the trampoline and jump, and then me and Tommy will do the rest. Yeah, Billy, just stand in the middle and jump. I knew you had to have a good idea.
Okay, I'm jumping. Now what?
Now the fun begins. Me and Tommy are gonna double bounce you. On 3, you ready? 1, 2, 3! Get ready, Billy.
I'm ready.
No way, Billy went over the tree! Dude, we sent Billy to outer space!
Ouch, Mommy! I didn't like that game!
Well, I guess we're getting grounded. There's no point of both of us getting in trouble. You wanna play rock, paper, scissors, shoot to see who takes the blame? Yeah, that sounds fair. You ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot!